Now when people think of pastures, they often think of grasses, but orchids, daisies, sedges and rushes often outnumber the grasses. Now farmers often refer to these as weeds, hence the title of this book, but many of these weeds are very useful. They form most of the biodiversity of pastures. They're very good indicators of soil fertility, compaction and other factors. They provide out-of-season green feed, and they also provide energy, protein and other factors which are very useful for livestock. Now the book has arranged 188 of the most common weeds from the Queensland border to Victoria by flower colour. So if you want to find which plant you have, all you need to do is look at the flower colour of your plant, go to that colour section in the book, and then flick through the pictures to find the one which is most similar to your plant. Now remember, these plants don't just occur in pastures, they occur in woodlands, around farm homes, along roadsides, so they can all be used in those habitats. So I hope you enjoy this book.